Hello, this is Matteo, Chief Mobile Opinionist at techtravelgeeks.com. Today, we're going to unbox a power bank. This is a portable battery that you can use to charge mobile devices whilst on the go without the need of a power outlet. This is an Omars SlimPack 10,000 mAh slim power bank. This brand was recommended to us by our friend who is a guest on the Tech Travel Geeks podcast, Sami Mughal. You can check that out in our podcast feed. But in the meantime, let's unbox this Omars SlimPack 10,000 mAh power bank and have a look at what's inside. Starting from the outside, it's simple cardboard packaging with a plastic structure on the inside for hanging it. This is obviously a retail optimized packaging. We can see a picture of the power bank on the front itself and see some information regarding the fact that there is a free 2-in-1 cable included in the box. That's one USB-A to micro USB with a USB Type-C adapter as well. It's a... Wait, I can't see this properly. Oh yes, it is a Slimeline device. What a Slimeline device is a bit baffling. I'm sure we'll find out soon. It's anti-slip, which sounds as if it's in contradiction with the fact that it's a Slimeline device. And you can apparently charge two devices at once. This because it has more than one output. And on the side, we see a list of compatible devices, including the Huawei P10, the iPad 5th generation, the iPhone XS, the iPhone XS Max, the iPhone XR, the iPhone X, the iPhone 8 Plus, the iPhone 8, the iPad Pro, and the series of Galaxy Notes, the 9, the 8. I'm not seeing the 7 mentioned here. Who knows why? Something to do with flames and planes. The 9 P10 P9, I'm assuming that is the Huawei devices. The Galaxy S9, S9 Plus, the Sony Xperia XZ3, XZ2, and more smartphones, tablets, and other USB devices. Someone obviously got bored of typing at this point. Though extra points to Huawei for making it in both as Huawei P10 and P9 and 9 P10 P9. Very odd. On the back, you'll see the SlimPack, not SlimePack, has information on the USB charge port. It's ultra slim here, anti-slip and certified safe. That gives me great confidence in the quality of this product, if it's certified safe. Then we have the Samsung S9 Plus. Apparently you can charge a Samsung S9 Plus 2.2x, or 2.2 times. That's a 10,000 mAh battery, so it works out pretty well. With an iPhone X, that's 2.4 times, and an iPhone 8, you can charge that 3.6 times. Very, very specific, so they must have gone through thorough testing to be able to give you that information. And then there's the Omars brand. Omars is a registered trademark. Well-Made Corporation Limited. Very interesting. And this is a Hong Kong brand. Not that there's anything wrong with that, it's just I've never seen it, and apparently you can follow them on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, Omars Global. Let's not forget Slimeline and anti-slip. Right, let's get to the unboxing itself. There's a couple of plastic labels here, keeping the box sealed. And again, I don't have a knife with me because I'm travelling at the moment and not really allowed to carry that in hand luggage. I am busy trying to get plastic off this. This is just a prequel to an hour-long YouTube video of me popping some bubble wrap. Coming soon to you on techtravelgeeks.com. I've got bored. I'm just going to rip the packaging. What do you say? There we go. There's only so much I can do there. Now, interesting. Obviously, I've opened this in a bit of a barbaric manner. Obviously, I've opened it upside down, where we find an Omars booklet, the user manual. Very useful. I'm sure I'll read about it. There is a USB-A to micro USB with a Type-C adapter. So great if you have, say, a set of headphones, which is micro USB, and a phone, which is Type-C. You can charge them both using this power bank thanks to the handy adapter at the end of the micro USB connection. And then the Omars power bank itself. So there you go. Now, it definitely doesn't feel like slimeline. It is quite slimline. Yes, no slimeline. And at the top you can see there's input, both Type-C and micro USB, and 2 USB-A outputs. So you'll see there's some print at the top, out, in, out, and in, out. In, out is from the Type-C port. Very handy to know. And on the front there's a simple Omars brand, showing that the device, the 4 LEDs, is at 1 LED, which means it's not charged yet. I will need to charge this properly before using it. But once I have done so, with the power button at the side, I will review this Omars SlimPack 10,000 mAh power bank and have a written review on techtravelgeeks.com. So, first impressions, it's a nice device. It's not too heavy. It's definitely not slimeline, but it's quite slimline. And I'm sure it will do a pretty good job of charging my devices whilst I'm on the go. So, as I said, you'll be able to read the full written review of this Omars SlimPack 10,000 mAh power bank on techtravelgeeks.com. In the meantime, thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more of these unboxings and first impressions of devices that we have sourced from the internet, please do subscribe to Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. That's Tech Travel Geeks, the channel on YouTube. We'll be covering electronics and devices which make travel better, such as this power bank, which we expect to keep our devices charged whilst travelling. So thanks for watching everyone, and don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.